Describe a person who enjoys cooking for others. You should say who this person is, what he or she likes to cook, who he or she cooks for, and explain why he or she enjoys cooking.
Well, I think the answer to this question is very fairly and simple for every person in this world. Everybody would agree that mother is the best cook, and absolutely mother love to cook for her family. So I'm going to talk about my mother, and I address my mother best master chef at our home. My mother is 14 years old and she works as a social worker. Apart from his activities, cooking considered as her passion, and she always try to make different types of cuisines for ourselves. Every day she spends 3 or 4 hours in the kitchen and she make delicious food for ourselves. I love everything that she makes, especially I like two items very much. One item is beef and another item is the fish curry. And I would like to say one thing about my mother. My mother don't like the non-vegetarian recipes, but she is a picky eater. That's why everything will be perfect and she can make delicious food for ourselves. And she said to me that she learned this art from his grandmother, and she was one of the best cooker on that time. And sometimes me and my father always try to help my mother in the kitchen time. And my mother sometimes say to me, I want to try new recipes. For that reason, I give my mobile phone and my mother try to follow the YouTube platform, because there are many available videos and there shows different types of activities, how to make new items for ourselves. Finally, I would like to say that everyone should respect this person, and especially for selfless love for ourselves.